Many have heard about Safety NetAccess's Integrity First motto, but what does it actually mean for us and our clients? It means that our relationship is more than dollars and cents, it's a partnership. It means that we stand by our designs, solutions, installations, and support. It means that our quoted price is our price. We don't bait and switch our prices. It means that throughout our relationship, we will never nickel and dime you. It means that if an issue arises, we stick with it and see it through to a successful outcome for all those involved. It means that you can always look any of our team in the eye and know you are getting what was agreed upon. Our Integrity First principle guides our decisions, our installations, and our partnerships. It may be an outdated way of doing business for some other companies, but for us, it's personal. Connect with our team today at 855-SNA HSIA or by www.safetynetaccess.com.